Yeah, everybody, this is Punchy. Everybody's Tunchy. I'm there with Foolproof and Cran Water. The good as water, the water with wow. And we're there by the people them good as campus. Yeah, up at UWI. I got asked for 6 questions. And if them get the 6 questions them right, we give them a prize. If them get 5 out of 6, we give them a prize. Said we. Yeah. Question number 1. If a plane crash on the border of Cuba and Jamaica, where them a go bury the survivors?
Where them a go bury the what?
In the ocean.
Some altitude lines. Why them a bury the survivor?
Cuba.
Cuba?
If the plane crash on the border of Jamaica, and Cuba, it simply means that.
No, they would bury survivors, no eh?
Well, seeing that they're survivors, can't be buried. A plane crash survivor, you know survivors.
You can't bury survivors. They're alive, so you wouldn't bury them.
Yeah, good as. Question number 2. If a surfer overtake the person in a second place in a race, which position him a go in a?
In a third place.
Overtake second place and end up in a third place?
First place, of course.
First place.
Yes.
Overtake second place. Him there first. Second because him did in a third.
Him there second.
Second, I saw for overtake the person. Second place. I saw for girls, they go there second.
Second.
Yeah, second.
Question number 3. If you throw a red stone into a blue sea, what will it become?
A red stone into the blue sea. It's going to become blue.
You throw it become blue.
There'll still be a red stone.
The red stone is still going to be red in the blue sea.
A wet stone.
A wet red stone?
The blue sea. The red stone is already red and it's showing in the blue sea. Then it will stay as a red stone just go on the bottom of the blue sea.
What would the stone become? I'm assuming wet.
Wet.
Wet?
Still, I see the stone reflect the blue color.
Oh, wet. Exactly, because it won't change color.
Alright. Question number 4. 10 copycats were sitting in a boat. 1 jumped out. How many left?
10 man.
Oh, 0.
None.
10 copycats, that means they copy people. None.
None.
None, because all of them jump out.
Question 5. Jamaica have 7 national hero. What number national hero is Mike and Manley?
7.
No idea.
They never say Erin.
So wait, 6 national heroes and 1 hero.
No. We have said 6 still, but we're not sure.
Yeah, which number Michael Manley?
He's the 4th one.
Take your time.
Michael Manley is not a national hero. He's not a national hero.
Michael Manley, he's not a national hero.
He's not a national hero.
Michael Manley no idea.
Michael are the sons and Emmanuel hero.
Question number 6. It goes in dry, it comes out wet. The longer it's in, the stronger it gets. What is it?
It go in dry, it come out wet. I don't know, yeah, man. Another one there.
It go in dry, it come out wet. The longer it stay in.
Because you can't time out.
Time done? Time done, Payo.
Is it bubble gum?
No think smutty.
The longer it stays in, the stronger it gets. You have to talk about the male body part now.
T-bag.
T-bag.
Another one there.
You get 2 questions right. So you're not get a prize. You know win nothing. Go on by your business. You get 1 question right. You get 4 out of 6 right. You don't get no prize. You get 4 out of 6. But you still don't win the prize. 3 right. Yeah, 3 out of 6. Not bad at all. 5 answer you answer right out of 6 questions. So that means I'm going to give you 1 gift basket instead. 5 out of 6 right. I could give them the gift basket. Courtesy of Cran Water. So go on the page. Don't forget to like the page. And follow me, Bella Blair. So you get 5 out of 6 questions right. So you win a gift basket courtesy of Cran Water. Congratulations. So you get 5 out of the 6 questions. You get all 6 of them. Winner of the Platinum Pass. You answer all 6 questions right. Congratulations.